Hi everyone, welcome to Helical Insight training videos.
In this video, we are going to cover how to create a parameter using date picker. In data source section, we will have parameter. If we click on plus icon, it creates a parameter. If we click on three dots, we will have edit, delete, type options. For date picker, we use string. Using edit option, we can rename the parameter label name. I would like to provide travel date. Click on this right mark. Now we should select the connection. For date picker, we no need to write any SQL query. Once this is done, we should configure where clause in the report query. So here we have report SQL. Let me provide SQL query including where clause. So here additionally I appended where clause where cache travel date as date equal to this parameter name. So this name should match here. So here we are doing cached since the actual data is in date including timestamp. So that is why we are converting to date. Now click on save, run. Here it prompts. In the placeholder we should write some sample date. So now it validates the report SQL query with parameter. Now we can see the result, which is filtered. After this step, we should go to canvas, go to parameter, expand parameters, travel date. Here we should define the type of the parameter. From this drop down, we should select date since we are going to create date picker. Here we should provide default value. We have data for this 2015 year, so providing this value as default. If we click on these options, here we have this multiple option and display value and display format of the date. We no need to configure anything for this multiple display value since we haven't write any SQL query for this filter. Here we should provide date format. So currently we have our date in this format only. In case if you have different date format, we should choose these options based on our date format. After this configuration, click on preview. Here we can see the default date value is selected. Now click on apply. We can see data is filtered for 1/1/2015. If we click on date picker, we can change the value using this calendar picker. Let me change this to February 2nd. Click on apply. Now we can see the data is filtered for February 2nd, 2015. This is how date picker works. Hope you are clear with this. Thank you for watching.
Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming Helical Insight expert.